Alright, just making this video to show you all what the proper relay does for your blinkers if you have LED blinkers on a bike like mine, the Daytona 675 here. And you guys can see it. I'll reach in here and show you. Here is the stock blinker right here. I'm sorry, stock relay. That's the relay, the stock relay that comes with the bike. And if you add LEDs to it, then this is what you get. Fast flash, hyper flashing, whatever they call it. Okay. And it kind of, you can't tell it in the video, but when you are like out, especially during the daytime, it's kind of hard for people to see turn signals when you're flashing, when they're flashing that fast. And I kind of personally think that it also takes away from some of the brightness of the bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stock one here. I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to add the aftermarket relay here. So there's the stock one, and all it is you just, there's this little, if it'll focus on here, I'm just going to have to do it myself. There's that little, this little thingy right here that you just basically push it down and pull it out. Oh shit, I don't need two hands. There, it came out. It's like that. So this is your stock. Here's your stock relay here. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I got this aftermarket relay here. This one is for, from superbrightleds.com. And it's the, if you guys can see it, it's bright ass flash here. It's got the two connectors on here, and this one was less than $10. I think it was $8.99. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in and show you guys what happens when you get this one. So let me find it. Aftermarket one. Again, this is a 2006 Daytona 675. So let me plug this in here real quick. And it's basically a plug and play. I know you guys can't see it, but here. It basically plugs right into that. And all I have to do is just slide it in until it clicks. Kind of hard to do that. It's not hard to plug it in. It's hard to do it with a camera in one hand and trying to do it here. So there we go. That plugs into that. And again, this is the relay. It's got the two electrical connections to it. And this came from superbrightleds.com. So now we'll turn the key on this. And let's see what happens. There we go. There we go. So it slows down the hyper blinking. And I'm sure it's, in my opinion, you may not be able to see it, but it makes things a lot more, makes the bulb a little brighter, especially the ones in the back. I've had a couple people say that they couldn't see my turn signals in the back, but it slows it down. I think it just makes it look brighter. It might just be because it's staying, on longer. So that's what that is. A little LED flasher. It's a plug and play. Takes all of 5 minutes, if even that, to do. And it fixes your fast flashing problem on your 2006 675 if you have LEDs. And I've been told it also works with the regular turn signals. So there you have it.